In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a filter in Jira. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to create a custom filter so you can quickly find the issues that matter most to you and your team. Let's start from your Jira board. At the top of the screen, look for the main navigation where you usually see options like projects and dashboards. In that same area, you should see an option labeled filter. Go ahead and click on filter. This is your entry point to working with saved searches and custom views in Jira. Once you've opened the filter menu, you'll see a few quick options, including any recent or favorite filters you may have used. For this guide, we want to see everything that's available, so choose the option that says View All Filters. Clicking this takes you to the Filters Overview page, where Jira lists all the filters you have access to. This includes filters you've created, as well as any that have been shared with you by other team members. On the Filters page, look for a button or link that says Create Filter. This is usually positioned toward the top of the screen. Click on Create Filter and Jira will open the issue search screen in a fresh, editable state. Think of this as your workspace for defining exactly which issues you want to see. Now you're ready to build your own filter. By default, Jira usually shows a simple search with drop-downs and fields like project, status, assignee, or labels. Start by selecting the project or projects you care about. Then refine your search using other fields such as issue type, priority, or status, depending on what you're looking for. As you adjust these options, Jira will automatically update the list of matching issues below. Take a moment to confirm the results. Check that the issues shown match what you expect to see. If you're comfortable using Jira Query Language or JQL, you can switch to the advanced search mode and type your query directly for more precise control, like filtering by date ranges or custom fields. Once you're happy with the filter criteria and the results look correct, save your work by